In this video we're going to look at Zombie by the Cranberries. So this is quite an easy beginner song. We can actually do every chord in the song with just 2 fingers. And there's 4 chords in the song and we're going to look at 2 different strum patterns. The first chord is E minor. So I'm playing E minor with my first finger on the A string fret 2 and then my second finger on the D string fret 2. The next chord is C major 7. So I'm going to put my second finger on fret 3 on the A string and then my first finger on fret 2 on the D string. The third chord is G6. So I'm going to put my first finger on fret 2 on the A string and then my second finger on fret 3 on the E string at the top. And then the last chord is E minor 7 / F sharp. Okay, this is the only chord I'm not quite sure about, but it works well with the song. And when I've looked at videos, it looks like this is what they're playing. So that's first finger on fret 2 on the E string at the top, and then my third finger on fret 3 on the B string. Okay, I'll show you the first strum pattern. So the first strum pattern is down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. We'll do that again. Down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down. And then without me talking. Okay, so we're going to do that on each chord. If that strum pattern's a little bit tricky at first, you could split it up into like 3 parts. So you could start off by just practicing down, 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 up. And then once you get used to that, add the up, down. So you've got down, 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 up, down. And then when you're used to that, add down, up, down, up. So all together, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. You're going to do that on each chord, so all together it's going to sound like this. Okay, and there's another strum pattern in this song. Okay, so that's the strum pattern that you hear at the beginning. The next strum pattern is a little bit easier, it's just downstrokes. So we're just going to do 8 downstrokes on each chord. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just change after you've done 8 downstrokes. And that's it. There's a couple of little tips that I'll give you for this one. So on both of the strum patterns, whether you're doing the first one, which is a little bit trickier, or the second one that I just showed you, the last downstroke or upstroke on each one, you could just do on the open strings as you're changing chords. You can do this with a lot of songs that have open chords, and even songs with power chords, or maybe even bar chords. So I'll demonstrate that with the first strum pattern. So the last upstroke, I'm just going to do as I'm changing. I'll do that with the other strum pattern as well. So if I'm doing 8 downstrokes, the 8th one is just going to be on the open strings as I'm changing. So that makes a lot of the chord changes easier. The other tip is for when you're playing C major 7. So when you're playing C major 7, you don't want this E string ringing out, okay? So I like to put my thumb in a position here so that I can mute that E string, so that when I pluck or when I strum C major 7, you don't actually hear that string ringing out, okay? You don't need to do that on the other chords, because on the other chords we can pretty much strum every string. But yeah, the other option I suppose would just be aim as much as you can, but it's a little bit tricky. When you are using your thumb to mute that top string, don't actually push down, okay? You're not trying to let that note ring out. You're just trying to touch it so that it makes that sound. If it rings out like that, you're pushing down too hard and you're not touching the string, you're just pushing down. Or if it rings out like that, you're not doing it enough. Okay, so you want it, or you're just touching it so it mutes the string. And that's about it. So, hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. But thanks for watching.